how to recover recently deleted post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you accidentally delete a post on your Instagram and want to recover it? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You'll need to head over to your app and then you need to go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you are there, tap on the three lines in the top right. Now, there you'll be able to find your activity. Just go ahead and tap on it. And from there, go to recently deleted. And just tap on the post that you want to recover. Then you can see three dots in the top right, tap on it and you can see restore option. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.